Hi, today I will present to you my ideas of establishing a system that help predict taxi demand in large urban city with the application of deep learning. So let's get started. So let's get to the goals of our project. We aim to provide a smart system that can help recommend taxi drivers to nearby areas that are demanding, as you can see on the left pictures. Or we can, just distribute the taxi allocation so that is also beneficial for the travelers, not just the taxi drivers. So the outcomes that we plan to achieve is to facilitate the rich source of data that regulates in the ITS system, and overall to create a better experience for the customers, for the drivers, while also reduce the costs for them. So the solution for this project is that we're gonna use the past taxi records of the taxi trips and use them to train a deep learning model, which is the recurrent neural network, and try to make the predictions of the demanding areas based on the model. So in this project, we are dealing with a type of data called geographical data. Those includes the pickup points, drop-off points, and the routes that the taxi use. These data is going to be fed into a image recognition network, and with the geohash system, we can identify the trends, which is the hotspot, where is the hotspot in the city that are demanding for taxi services. Also with taxi records, we're gonna have a lot of time stamp, which is temporal data. So the day, the month, or the week, those are gonna be fit into the recurrent neural network. It's very useful at identifying trends in a sequence of data over time. The timeline for this project is going to be within 1 year duration. We collect data, we train the model, and then we use the model to test on real-time data. And finally, to state again the outcomes of this project, like by having such a system to predict taxi demand, we can organize the taxis in the city and distributing them according to the model. And this can help a lot with situation where in some areas there's large demand, but then the taxi drivers are competing with each other for having passengers in another area of the city. And most of all, we want that the customer, the users, and also the taxi drivers can save their time, save their costs with the application. Thank you.